to say, because you already did everything.
I know I messed up really bad.
And I'm just forgiving you all the time, and you just keep coming back and doing the same fucking cycle.
Well, yeah, we even look a bit twisted.
Okay, honestly, this is why I didn't want to be a part of this cheap-ass production. Okay?
Hold on, wait. Don't call the production cheap. All you have to come in with your cheap wig inside.
Guys, this is not in the script.
There's no reason for him to be trying to fix my wig.
Can we get extra hair on set, please? Extra hair.
And here he is doing the scene with me.
My girl, first of all, Jesus Christ, she have dreads.
Please, the hair, put the hair back and just don't throw the hair.